Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a super cool little Chanel boy purse to show you today. And I love the Chanel boy anyway, and I think as a little purse, it's just perfect. It's really cute. So I'll talk you through the features. It's nice and simple. We've just got a zip around closure. So I'll open it up and show you in there. So inside, got one central zipped section. So I'll just show you how that zip works. So it still works nice and smoothly, and then we've got two open sections with two card slots on either side of that open section, and we've got a little date code just there, you can see on the opposite side of one of those open sections, and the date code is 24, so it makes this a 2017/18 Chanel. The condition of this one we've called good. There's nothing in particular, no major things for me to show you on the inside or the outside, but it just has that kind of pre-loved and pre-used look. I'll show you that leather. There's a couple of marks maybe here and there, just on that edge of that leather. You can see there's a little scratch there. But other than that, it's just, you can tell it has been used before, but it's still very, very gorgeous. Similar with the hardware, we've called that good condition for the same reason. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous little bits like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what this comes with. So we've got Chanel box with the camellia flower, and then we've also got dust bag and little Chanel card envelope, and in that envelope we've got the original receipt and the authenticity card as well. So it's got the matching date code, it's the one in the bag, and then we have got the original Chanel invoice, as well as another little Chanel card envelope, and in there we've got two hair cards as well. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this bag, the link to shop this bag is in the description below, and you'll find loads more details for it on there. So have a look on there and it should hopefully take you directly to this purse. If it doesn't and it just takes you to a generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. You guys love Chanel, so it sells very quickly, but what you can do is get on our request list. Just let us know that you love this and we'll get you on our request list, send you through an email next time we get in one just like it, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and this is kind of what it looks like on me, and it's a nice size. It would fit perfectly, kind of in even a little bag it would fit, and it's got a good amount of space in there, so it is a very nice little size. Again, if you wanted more details on this bag, on this purse, sorry, you can go to the link in the description below. It's a link to our website, so have a browse through while you're there. If this is not your thing, we've got loads of other beautiful bags, purses and wallets for you to have a look at. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you've got any bags you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. All the details you need to know about selling with us are on there. So have a look, and I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.